You know what I hate? Doing redundant work over and over again. I don't want to set up my reverb every time when I start a new track or my group channels. So here's my template and how you can create one yourself. Alright, so if you've been producing for quite a long time, then you'll probably have started to notice that you're kind of doing the same things over and over again in each project every time again. And you really don't need to, because you can just make a template and just work from there. So I'm gonna show you around on my little template here, which is way different from the one that you'll usually start from in Logic 10 as your default template. So the first thing you'll notice is that I've cleaned up a lot of the information on the top here. If you want to change anything on the top, just right click, customize your control bar, and just click on anything you do or do not want. So some things that I really like is, for example, capture recording, which is a feature that always records what you're doing even though you don't have record enabled. The other thing that's really cool that I like in my template right now is the vary speed option, which will allow you to play your track in a different speed if you want to. So you can just vary the tempo 110 and it will just time stretch everything correctly, and it'll even pitch things up or down if you want to, or not if you don't want to. Now that's like the easy part. The other thing that's really important in my template here is if I go into my mixer, you'll see that there's a couple of channels here already. I've got kick and bass, beats, chords, leads, vocals, FX, room, reverb, and vox verb. So I've already got 3 separate reverbs set up. This is just a room reverb for my drums. This is a normal reverb and a really short one that fattens up my synths. And also some groups. And it's really important for me to use this template because every time I'm producing, I'm just routing everything to these channels. So I end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And if I'm going to do the mixing and mastering, it's really easy to just mix and master from these 6 groups. So I don't have to do a reverb, I don't have to make those, I don't have to do the whole equalizing on those channels. I already have the multimedia set up on my output. Saves a lot of work. So if you start to notice that you're doing a lot of commands and actions over and over again in each project you do, just create yourself a template and click Save as Template. And it's the same in Ableton or Vel, so you can do it in every single program out there. Save some time, man. Make yourself a template. Let me know down in the comments below what you want to see me do next, and I'll see you next time.